Guys, we are taking ice cream. This is a 2-ingredient cake. So you're gonna take some soft ice cream. Now, you need it to be really, really soft. This is probably not soft enough. So I'm gonna nuke mine in the microwave for just a little bit. Okay, this is very soft. Take my cake mix. All right, so I got my cake mix and my, oops, oh dear, I slopped it all over. Okay, so I got my cake mix and my ice cream in here. I'm going to spray my pan. Okay, I'm gonna divide it between my 2 cake pans. Throw this in the oven and bake it. All right, here's my cake. Woo. Okay, it's still really warm. Put that there. And here's the other one. Woohoo. I set these off to the side and let them cool first, and then we'll be back and frost it. Oh no, my cake's stuck together. Oops, oh dear. Oh, today we'll get out the big guns, shall we? There we go. Okay, and we're gonna taste test. All right, there we go. Oh, there you go.
Actually, you're not feeding it to me off the knife, are you?
Sure, why not? We'll have some, oops, is the
You want me to
stuck?
cut myself?
I didn't know the
She's gonna say, he bit the knife. I didn't kill him. Mmm.
2-ingredient, 3 if you want frosting.
And since I'm sick, I have to eat the whole slice because nobody else can have the rest.
I'm sure.